Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate an eSIM on Mint Mobile. First, go to the official Mint Mobile website or open the Mint Mobile app and purchase a mobile plan that supports eSIM. During checkout, make sure you choose the eSIM option instead of a physical SIM card. After completing your order, Mint Mobile will send you an email containing your 11-digit activation code. Before starting the activation process, connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, tap on Activate your SIM card. The app will begin checking if your phone is compatible with eSIM activation. Wait for the verification to finish before moving to the next step. Now enter the 11-digit activation code that you received in your email. Double-check the numbers to avoid any mistakes. After that, choose whether you want to keep your current phone number or get a new one. If you want to transfer your current number, make sure you have your account number, transfer PIN, and billing zip code from your current carrier ready. Finally, follow the remaining prompts in the app to install the eSIM profile directly onto your phone. Once the installation is complete, your Mint Mobile service should become active shortly. Thanks for watching.